Hey guys, Rick from Sonance here, back in another video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a drop like the Melodic Techno artist Anyma. He's really blowing up right now with songs as these. So we'll be including these elements. We're gonna start off with that signature lead sound. It's kind of that rolling synth, so let's pick a preset from the new Limbo pack in the style of Anyma. So if you want to check it out, make sure to check out the link in the description. We'll be using this lead sound, so let's create a melody. The drop will be in G minor, so let's start off on a root note and make a small synth roll. He really uses that a lot in his melodies. It's like a triplet rhythm. Just like this. Then go down the scale to the 7th note. Then up to the dissonant. Then we're gonna copy over the same synth roll. Just like this. Now we're gonna mix it. Now we're gonna dive into the bass sound. First, we're gonna drop in a kick from the pack. We're using this one. I just dropped in another serum. Let's pick a preset from the pack. We'll be using this one. We're gonna use a rolling bass line, so just drop in a lot of notes. Just like this. And drop it down to the root note. We're gonna work in G minor. Just like this. And then I only added a sidechain to it. So together with the kick, the bass, sounds like this. To make the drop a little bit more interesting, we're gonna add some bass steps. I added this inner preset from Serum. Then I picked this FM kind of step from the pack and drop it in right here. Then we're gonna mix it. First the low cut, then some reverb with a lot of decay and a sidechain. Then I added another serum with the same mixing with a reverb and low cut. Then we're gonna add a wobble sound to it. We'll be using this one, so just drop in a steady note. Just like this. And then to finish it off, I wanna add another wobble sound to it to fill up the gap between the lead sound. So I added another serum to it with the same mixing. Sounding like this. A really dope sound, so I think it will work really well together with the other elements. Together with the bass, it sounds like this. Then to make it more interesting, I want to quickly add a drum loop to it, so we got a lot of head loops in the pad. But we're gonna use this one, so just drag it in together with a kick and bass. It sounds like this. That's it for the bass sounds. Now we're gonna dive into our melody. Again, another empty serum, so let's pick a preset from the pack. We'll be using this pluck sound, so let's create a MIDI. Again, we're gonna start off on a root note. Then go up to the 6th and 5th note of the scale. Back to the root. And just follow the scale down. Just like this. Just like this. Which really doesn't sound interesting at all, but today we're gonna do the Melodic Techno trick to bump it up an octave, giving this effect. Which already sounds way better, so now we're gonna mix it. So together with the lead sound, it sounds like this. Got the foundation ready, so now it's time to dive into the vocal and ambiances. First, I got the original Anyma track loaded up. So what I did was just sample out this ambience and dropped it in a track. Then I added this crowd ambience to it. So now it's time to dive to the chords. So let's pick a new preset from the pack. We'll be using this one. So just drop in 2 steady root notes. Sounding like this. Then we're gonna add another preset to it. So let's pick this eternity chord. Sounding like this. Then just simply make the chord sound. And spread it out a little bit. It's really nice to sit in the background of the tracks. Then we only need to drop in the vocal, but we're placing it right here, so let's open up the vocal pack.
In the darkness we dance.
I feel it coming.
Eternity awaits. Eternity awaits.
And we'll be using this one. So it sounds like this.
Eternity awaits in the beyond.
So then we just need to arrange the drop. Just like this. So that's it for the Anyma Style drop. I think it turned out really dope. We're gonna listen to the final result in a minute. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.
Eternity awaits in the beyond. Eternity awaits in the beyond.